I will create an account on Twitter. To create an account on Twitter, you need to install the app. Head over to your respective app store on the search bar, type in TikTok. After you open up the TikTok app, click on the install button and wait for the application to be installed. Now, in my case, I already have installed as well as I already have an account. So I'm just going to open this up. Now, it will see this sort of interface. So what you need is, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on the profile and then I'm going to log out first of all. Or I am just going to go ahead and click on the switch account button. So basically, this is where the interface will take. So without creating an account, you could go and explore content as well, but there is certain limitation. You'll not be able to like a content, nor you'll be able to comment the content as well. So if you create an account, you'll be able to have these options. So you want to go ahead and select what you would like to create an account with. Phone number, email, continue with Facebook or with Google account. I'm going to simply go with the email address, click on the continue button. Moving on to the next field, you will then be asked to fill out this CapCut. So you just have to drag it and arrange the picture accordingly. Once you've done this, you will then be asked to type in the 6-digit code that's going to be sent to an SMS. Here it is. Now then, you will be taken to the next field where you'll be asked to go ahead and type in your password or create your password as well. Once done creating your password, you will then be able to see that you will be asked to choose a username. You go ahead and choose a username or create a username as well. And once done, you could go ahead and add in a picture, all that, or post it for the first time. And this is how you'll be able to create an account on Twitter. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.